Hi, I'm Dan Elder from Kidasa Software. Welcome to this video about default template inside Milestones Professional. So when you start up Milestones Professional, you have this option to start a new schedule from your default template. So I'm going to click on that. And what Milestones just did was looked in two places for that default template. So if I go to the Tools tab and click on the Folders button right here, I can actually see those two places it looked. The first place it looked was Personal Templates. So this is usually your Documents folder or some local folder that you can access. And then if it didn't find a default template in there, then it would load the actual default from the software itself. So this is in the Program Files directory, so usually you're not going to be modifying those templates. But first it looks into the by default documents folder for a template called default.mtp. So that means that it's pretty easy to make your own default template if you just save it into this folder. You can also change this folder if you want it to be somewhere else. And then Milestones will look here for that default.mtp. So I'm going to press OK. So just as an example, I can change a few things on this schedule, and I have a lot of videos on how to do all this. So right now I'm just going to the Layout tab. I'm going to change the page size, make sure to click Apply Setting Changes. Maybe I want the default template to have a few more rows. Just click on that. Maybe I'll change the color theme. That looks pretty good. And then you can also, change the symbols and bars if you want these to be a little bit different. I'm just making a few kind of minor changes so we can see the changes when I make a new schedule later using this default template. So I'm going to save this. I'm going to go to File, Save As. I'm not going to save it as a chart, so this would save the actual schedule itself. I'm going to save it as a personal template. So if I click Save As Personal Template and just give it a name of default.mtp. Okay, so if I save this into my Documents folder, which should kind of be the default folder for saving, then it's going to load this whenever you do like a new schedule or something like that. It'll open up that default.mtp. So just click on Save. So now I have that saved. So for instance, if I restarted Milestones, I'm going to go back, restart Milestones. Now when I say Start a New Schedule for my default template, it's actually going to be using this default template. So you can see the differences we made with the toolbox and the layout and the formatting and all that stuff. If I go to File, New Empty Schedule, that also is going to use that default template. If I want to not use this default template anymore, I would just need to either delete that file or just rename it, and then it would revert back to using that default.mtp from the Program Files directory. And a lot of people will wonder what's the difference between a template file and an actual Milestones schedule. The big difference is that no symbols and bars are going to be saved with this template file when you save it as a template. If you want any of these, like if you had tasks, if you had information in any of the columns, if you want to actually reuse stuff like that, you'll actually just want to save this just as a normal chart. And then you can just open that chart and kind of build from there, basically using it as a template. But if you have an actual template file like a .mtp, it's only going to save kind of the layout, the formatting, the legend, the toolbox, stuff like that. So I can actually apply that template to an existing schedule, and it's not going to, erase the currently existing tasks or anything like that. It'll just convert the tasks to use the toolbox, and it'll change the layout and the formatting back to how that template looks. And if you did want to apply a template, just as an example, I'm going to open a sample here in the File tab. I'll just do one of these basic Gantt samples right here, maybe this one, and open that. If I want to apply that template that we just made, then I would do File tab, click on the Open button, and then if you open a personal template, that's how you apply it. So if I do File, Open, Personal Template, it's going to keep the schedule information and just apply that personal template. So I could just scroll down to my default.mtp, click on Open, and it asks you if you want to take the dates from the template or just keep these current dates. So I'm actually going to keep these current dates. Probably makes more sense. I'm going to click on Yes. And then you could see it applied that template to that existing schedule. So it changed the layout. You can see it changed the toolbox over here, all the bars and symbols changed, and so on. So you can kind of see how that works. Again, to apply it, you File, Open, Personal Template, and to save a personal template, you File, Save As, Personal Template. And that's pretty much it for this short video about default templates inside Milestones Professional. If you have any questions, feel free to email support@keydasa.com, and be sure to visit our website at keydasa.com. Have a nice day.